Hello again everybody, welcome back to SamTube, and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is all about our NAS series video, that how can we build a NAS. So I have already uploaded one video about it, and in that video I have shared with you that what is a NAS and how can we build it. If you haven't checked that video yet, then I will recommend you to watch it first. So I will put the links in the description box below, as well as I will give it in the cards over here. So in our previous video I have shared with you that what things we are going to need to create or to build our NAS. So in this video I will show you that how you can connect those devices together and how we can prepare the SD card or the memory card for the bootable drive or bootable disk. So let's get started. First of all, let me just show you that how we can connect those devices together. So here I have made one simple diagram for that reason. Here you can see the diagram. First of all, here is our main router. It is our main router that is connected with the internet, and here is our Pi. The Pi is connected with the router via RJ45 LAN cable, and our 4-port USB hub is connected with our Pi, and our hard drive and our printer is connected with the USB hub. So yes, I have added my printer here. So I will show you that how can we set up the print server or printer server in Raspberry Pi, I mean Open Media Vault. That is a feature, or that is a plugin for Raspberry Pi, I mean sorry, Open Media Vault. There are many of it, so I will tell you one by one later. This is the main diagram. Here is the power outlet. You can see the router is connected with the powered USB hub is connected with the power, the Pi is connected with the power, and our printer is also connected with the power. So now you can see the diagram clearly, that how we can connect those devices together, and we will insert the micro SD card in the Raspberry Pi later on, because now there will be nothing, because we haven't installed the image on the SD card. Some of you might ask that Raspberry Pi comes with, I mean the Model 3 comes with 4 USB ports, so why I am using an external USB hub? So here is my thought process. Raspberry Pi is a low power consumption device, and if we connect our portable hard disks directly with the Pi, then it will drag the power from the Pi itself. So in that case, it might possible that Raspberry Pi will get overheat, and some malfunctions may be there. So in my opinion, I have just bought this externally powered USB hub, and just the hub is connected with the Raspberry Pi, and my external hard drive is connected with the, or any other device is connected with the powered hub. So in this case, the external hard disk is getting power from the USB hub, and just the USB hub is connected with the Pi. So here is the diagram. So now let's go, and you can easily download this diagram. I will put it in the description box below, so you can easily download this diagram from there. And one more thing, some broadband connections comes with their own modem. So just you have to do, if you have a modem, broadband connection modem, then just connect your Raspberry Pi, I mean your router with the modem, then your Raspberry Pi with the router. So now we need to download some softwares to install our Open Media Vault. So let's see. Here you can see that I have already opened the official website of Open Media Vault, that is openmediavault.org. Just go there and just click on the download button, as you can see here, and you will see that the installation image can be found here. Just click on this link and it will open the download section. So here you can see that Raspberry Pi image, the second option is OMV4 for single board computers. Here you can download it from I mean for Orange Pi and all single board computers. So we are going to download it for the Raspberry Pi. So just click on the Raspberry Pi image, and here you can see that Raspberry OMV4 for Raspberry Pi 2, 3, 3 plus So this is the ISO image file. So here you can see the some description about this thing, and so just click on this link and it will start downloading. I have already downloaded it. And one more thing I am going to tell you, that this is Open Media Vault version 4. So today I will show you the process in Open Media Vault version 3, because I have the version 3. This is the recently released version, I think 3 months ago. Yes, the date is 7. So I am not using this because I have installed my Open Media Vault before this date, so I got the version 3. So the process is same for 3 and 4, nothing they have changed much. So there will be no issue. And if in future I'm not going to upgrade it. There is an option for upgrading, but this is a recent released version, so I think that some of the plugins I might not get from the 3 to 4. So I am just not going to do that. If in future I am going to upgrade it from 3 to 4, then I will just tell you, and I'll just make a video on that. So don't worry, just download from here, that the download from the download button, and that's all. Next thing you are going to need is Rufus. So using Rufus we will just write the image file in our SD card. So here you can see, just search in the Google that Rufus download, open the link that says rufus.akeo.ie. so click on it and go down. Here you can see the download option. Just download the portable version from here, the second option. We don't need the actual version because we are not going to keep it forever. Just download the portable version from this link. It will start download, as you can see. And you need WinRAR, because the ISO image we have to just unpack it. So we are going to need WinRAR. So just again search in Google that WinRAR download and open the first link, I guess. Yes, win-rar.com, and just head over to the download option. As you can see, the download for 64-bit computer or 32-bit, depends on your system. Just download from here. Actually what happened, I have already installed my Open Media Vault and my NAS is up and running, and I am just showing you the process after that. So at this point, just connect your SD card with your PC using card reader, and just go for the this PC, and here you can see my SD card is connected. Actually this is not a SD card, this is a USB drive. I'm just showing you the process. So let's say this is our bootable drive. I mean, we are going to install our Open Media Vault in this SD card. So just you have to format it first. Click on it, right click and go for format, and just format it in FAT32. Okay, so if it is on NTFS, then just change it to FAT32, because it is recommended for Open Media Vault, and just start formatting and it will just format your drive easily. So nothing, no other software is required for formatting the drive. So it's done. Now we are going to install the Open Media Vault. So as you can see, I have downloaded the Open Media Vault image for Raspberry Pi. This is a version 3. By the way, I have already also downloaded the Rufus, and this is actually not required, so I am going to delete it. That is the diagram. So if you extract this thing, then you will get a folder like this. Just right click on it and click on extract to OMV, the last option. So it will create a folder like this. So inside this folder you will get a ISO file. This is a ISO image file, disk image file. As you can see, file type disk image file. So you need this. So after that, just double click on Rufus, because we are going to click Rufus. And if you are going to run it for the first time, then it will ask for the some kind of update policy. Okay, so allow Rufus to check application update online. I will just click on no. First, from the drop down list over here, devices, under devices, just select your device. I am going to select this. This is actually 4 GB, but I have used a 8 GB SD card. Remember, I am just showing you the process. Okay, everything will remain same. Just we have to select the file from here. You can see disk or ISO image, please select. So we are going to select it. So as you can see that here the file is. So I'm just going to open it. So the file is selected. So now just start, click on start, and it will start the process. So it will tell you that all the data on the device will be destroyed and all. Just hit on OK, and it is just creating the image file. It will take some time depending on the device speed. So just wait for the thing, and we will get back to you once it's done. So now our SD card is ready. Just unplug it from your PC and connect it with your Pi, and just turn it on your Pi and your whole setup. After turning it on, you don't really need to connect HDMI cable with your Raspberry Pi to see what is happening, because if you connect, then you can see some random comments are going on, and actually don't need. So don't go for it. Just connect it with the power and insert your SD card and just turn it on, turn the whole setup on, and wait for, let's say, for 5 minutes. For the initial setups it will do, and after 5 minutes just follow my steps. Just open your browser and type in your router's IP address. I think you guys know that what is the router's IP address. Just go to the router's web page and just let me just log in. So in the router's web page, as you can see, I have successfully logged in into my router's web page. Just go for a option that says DHCP. Over here, go for the DHCP client list. So as you can see that a device is connected, namely Summon OMV. So this is my actual device. This is our Pi. I have changed the name, so it is showing that Summon OMV, and it might possible that in your case it shows Raspberry Pi. Okay, and the MAC address is over here, and the IP address is 192.168.0.101. You have to do one thing over here. Just you have to make this IP address permanent, or if you want any other IP address, then just make it permanent, because if they are temporary addresses, it might possible that every time you restart your router, then it will change. Okay, so for avoiding that thing, we are going to make it permanent. So for that, just search for the thing that says Raspberry Pi and just copy the MAC address. So here right click will not work. Just go for your keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl+C, and go for the address reservation. And it might possible that any other language is used in your router, so the overall thing will be same. So here click on add new and paste the MAC address. Go for the keyboard shortcut and give it a IP address. IP address should be like 192.168.0.101, actually 101. So and just enable the status and just save it. So the IP address might be like from 100 to 255, I guess. So DHCP settings, no, 199. As you can see here, start IP is 192.168.0.100 to 199. So it is the default. Okay, so this is the DHCP client, actually the devices connected with your router. What happens now, we are going to just access our Open Media Vault's web page. So if we are going to access it from, like, we are going to just put the IP address of our Raspberry Pi or Open Media Vault, you can say. So our IP address is 192.168.0.101. okay, so let's say I am going to connect it 192.168.0.101. okay, so now hit enter. As you can see that our Open Media Vault control panel is opening. So this is the main web page or user interface for Open Media Vault. For the first time, you have to select your language. I'm selecting English, and the default username and password for Open Media Vault is admin in a lower class letter, and Open Media Vault in lower class letter, that is Open Media Vault. Okay, so just type it in and hit enter, and it will open your user interface. So now just think, if you have suddenly or accidentally restarted your router and your IP address have changed, so you have to just go for the router web page and you have to check it. And we are going to, afterwards I will show you that we are going to map network devices on our PC, in our PC actually, as you can see. So these are the drives, these are the NAS drives, as you can see. So the IP address is, let's see, 192.168.0.101. let's say the IP address has changed, so then you cannot connect those drives, you have to edit it or you have to just remap them. So there will be a problem, so just reserve the IP address, and just remember it. Okay, so this is the main user interface of Open Media Vault. From here we will continue in our next video, that how we can just active our services, and how we can configure our devices, and how we can configure plugins, and how we can map those network devices, and how we can just access our NAS from our any other devices like our phones, smartphones, and any other devices. So that's it for now. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you have any question and queries, then please let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.